Hello, I welcome you in a special way to discuss Nigerian Lego method, one of the core courses for law students across Nigerian universities. And in this course, I'll be handling it alone, unlike some of our courses where you might see one, two, or more tutors. Okay, for this course, the recommended textbook is The Rudiments of Lego Method in Nigeria by Dr. Barrister Christian Chukwuka Obago of the prestigious University of Science and Technology, Enugu. Okay, so if you can access this textbook, that will be wonderful, as it will be our main text for this course. However, we are going to be making references to recently decided cases, other textbooks that we consider relevant for this course. Okay, so if you are new into the law profession as a student of any tertiary institution, this is also time to welcome you. I believe this is going to be your first or one of the first core courses that you are going to be handling as a law student of any law faculty across the nation. Okay, it is a wonderful profession, and I am so much certain that it is going to change your life in numerous ways. Why I also encourage you to be conscious of your activities in the institution. Always pick out extra time to study your text, and always be ahead of your lecturers in terms of understanding of the curriculum, because it is going to help you a lot in your way forward. Okay, without much ado, let us go into the full context of the course. Okay, for this course, we are going to start with a vivid understanding of what Lego method is all about. Okay, and from this definition, there are three main concepts or three main constructs that we need to describe for you to get a full understanding of what the course is all about. Okay, we start with methodology. A methodology deals with a system of methods and rules that are applicable in research. In every given field, there are a number of components, rules, measures, requirements, or methods that one will have to follow in order to fulfill the defined objective of such a field. Okay, so such is also applicable in the legal system. And one element or one major element of law as a profession is research. As a good lawyer, you must be sound in research, irrespective of the area of your specialization. Okay. So the second concept is method, and method deals with the mode or way that we use or employ in getting to an end. Okay, so if you want to make a tea, one of the methods is to you start by boiling your water, mixing your tea with boiled water, and and so on and so forth. So the ways or the modes or the approaches or the measures you put in place to come to a given end is what we do describe as method. Okay, then finally, Lego. As a concept, it is anything that is of or relating to law. So when we talk about Lego, it means that it has a Lego or regulation-based background. Okay, so when we say the legal system of Nigeria, that is the way or the system of laws that are applicable in Nigeria. Okay, so based on these three concepts, we can now define Lego method as those mode or way through which lawyers and other applicable professionals conduct research in relation to a given issue or context within the field or outside the field. Okay, and then try to reach a conclusive decision, or at least a vivid understanding of what the scope is all about. Okay, so before a judge could reach any decision, it is imperative that such a learned judge would go through his library, okay, in relation to related cases about the particular proceeding that he is considering. And then through such research, he can make references to what has been adduced within the judicial system, and then come to a more concrete pronouncements as it relates to the case under consideration. So Lego method in its entirety it imply the system of methods or the rules that govern the way by which lawyers and legal professionals search for information and gain a better understanding of a given issue under consideration. Okay, that is what Lego method is all about. the sets, the mode or the ways or the approaches which we as Nigerian legal professionals engage towards having our own sound legal system. The measures we put in place, the research we conduct, and the references we make before reaching an informed pronouncement with relation to a given case or issue in Nigeria. Okay, so as a law student, why is it important to study legal method? Of course, we best describe the importance of legal method with the Latin dictum, nemo nascitur artifex. This simply implies that no one is born a craftsman. We all, no matter how sound you are in your field or in your profession, including let's take the footballers for instance, okay? Before they become professional, they weren't born with those skills. Of course, it is inherent to state that some of these talents might be a part of a gene or DNA related influence. However, to get to that professional level, they had to go through different rigorous tests over the years before they become sound in their field. This is also applicable in the legal profession. No one is born with it. So for you as a student, for you as a professional within the field, you need to equip yourself, to advance your skills, to enhance your expertise in relation to the field. So on having a vivid understanding of the Nigerian legal method is essential because it will help you to know what is obtainable, how you can go about it, the issues and challenges you might face, how you can address them towards becoming a true professional in the field. Okay, so this is the first introduction to the course, and moving further, we are going to look at different elements or different keynotes within the concepts as related to the legal method in Nigeria.